Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Chevrolet Trail Boss here, we've got the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, your driving mode selector, push button 4x4, fog lamps, in-bed lighting there as well, leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, black bow tie, as well as speak to talk and audio controls. Column shifter there. We got push button ignition. We have an 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in there. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats. We have an integrated trailer braking system, USB charging ports there, and an outlet. Dual glove box with locking bottom, Bose audio equipment throughout, and then our black leather heated seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires on there. Black door handles with keyless entry on the front driver's door there. This does have the factory 2-inch lift kit up front, giving you clearance for those big tires as well as that extra stance you need for that Trail Boss. Black Chevy bow tie, black front bumper with parking sensors, red tow hooks, fog lamps, LED daytime running lamps, Z71 package. You have rear tinted privacy windows, remote start, LED tail lamps, black rear bumper with parking sensors, dual exhaust tips, trailer tow hitch, as well as the easy open and close tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior, again our second row, the leather 60/40 split, both end seats here are car seat ready with in-seat storage, as well as cup holders that fold down from the center, a rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom carved out over top, LED lighting, single pane sunroof, and we got our USB charging ports there as well, and that 60/40 split allows you to fold up that seat as well, under seat storage, and tons of room on the ground should you need it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss. If this is your next factory lifted V8 crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.